Well, it is May 29th, and we're doing some exploration in Wyoming today. We're up in the Pole Mountain area. Last time we were up here, I had that black TJ. It was about 6 years ago, so we're going to go find some...
Yep, I have your turn coming up here on the left, Justin. Yep.
Going to go find some dirt and see what the day brings. I'm not sure how complicated any of these roads are, but we'll probably air down somewhere right in here. You want to just air down right here just to, I don't know how rough this road's going to be.
Let's go in a little bit. Let's just see. It's okay.
All right. Tooling around up here, trail 715. It's a cool area. So like 5 years ago when we were up here.
Yeah, the last 2 hours of work when I thought I'd be doing, work stuff, trying to get ready for the weekend. I'm like, screw it, I want to find out where we're going.
5 years ago when we were up here, we stayed south of the Happy Jack Road, so none of us have ever put tires on this dirt up here.
Technically, I got paid to route my part.
Well, you know my boss, so...
Yep, we can both work for Fun Track now.
What a cool area. Not even in four-wheel drive yet.
That would be a windy campsite right there.
I bet this whole area gets a tad bit on the windy side.
In this area being Wyoming?
Yeah.
Yeehaw!
I should have just left the camera on because we're at a water crossing. That doesn't look deep. Oh man, that's a nice campsite. Look at that nice campsite off to the right.
Yeah, that's throwing mud in the window.
I'm trying to get my sway bar to unlock here in 2. There it goes.
Oh, I'm in 2, and I'm not worried about the sway bar.
I have to come to a complete stop and like hold my tongue right, and the taser will unlock it in 2. It's real weird when you can go like 30 miles an hour down. We better slow down, there's some ATVs. Very smooth roads. Could have brought the Buick. I don't have a Buick.
Two more coming, it looks like.
Yeah, it's nice that they do the finger count.
They all did it. That was pretty awesome. Not like in Colorado.
No, you do not see that very often in Colorado, which is unfortunate. I see it, just not very often. Man, this is neat. We just keep ducking in and out of the trees as we go up and down the hills here. Haven't found anything complicated to off-road yet. Obstacles and whatnot. Hasn't been anything. And there may not be anything up here. Who knows? We're in too much of a just rolling hills, sagebrush country. I'm still in two-wheel drive. I hope that comes out on the video how awesome this little valley is down here. There's beaver pond after beaver pond. I bet we've been seeing elk droppings everywhere. I bet there's monsters down in here.
Where?
Stop and grab it real quick.
Okay.
This road here that says no was the loop I had coming out. We're finding a lot of spurs that are just no more.
Oh, so this road directly to the left is your exit of this?
Yeah, that's what I had on the Gaia GPS, was we just loop out onto the left here, but it's closed.
Oh yeah, so then we'll have to double back then. This will just peter out.
This goes we're only halfway through with this. This goes a little bit further. Road closed. This terrain is similar to
Water level is high up here. What?
This terrain is similar to Honholtz up way west of Redfoot. That's so cool. These are all just little beaver dams.
Not carrying in Jenna right behind us. There you are. I saw the tops of your Jeeps right as they mic'd up.
Hook a left and head a little bit further to the north and see what the far north end of this whole mountain area brings. Man, we're just in the great wide open here.
Hey Karen, what's your transmission temperature running at? Do you know? And see what happens over that way. I see some trees over there, so we get back into a little bit of a forest. 713F. I'm still in two-wheel drive. I've been in two-wheel drive the whole time.
gate. Oh, jeez. I wasn't expecting to run into gates like this. Oh, that's deeper than it looks.
That's a little deeper than I was expecting.
Wow. Yeah, that lets you know it's deep there in the middle. Well, that is some bull crap that road is fenced off. For this one, we'll see. Nah, we got her. The road we're on one map goes through, and then on another does not. So we're not quite sure what to expect here. Fairly confident we're going to have to double back. Probably camped at the end of the road, aren't they? Because that's where it is on my map.
Yep, that's what it looks like to me too.
Well, let's drive down there and we can real cautiously turn around. gates. So we were just there, and now we're here, seeing if all of this connects, and I don't think it does. All the clothes from that 2017 edits to the travel management plan that I did up here. So we're just going to leave that gate open, because pretty sure in 3 minutes we're going to be driving right back through it. Camping down here.
And that to the left might have been our spot for the night.
Yeah, no RVs down here. Trees are too thick.
Yep, there's the road closed sign ahead of me.
Well, we ended up back on like a road that's wide enough for semi trucks. So, not really any off-roading like up here. Some cool exploring, some awesome country, but this is not exactly what I was expecting. I was expecting some trails, you know. But still a fun day to get out of the house. Because I'm not going to really record driving down what looks like a county road. That's kind of boring. Well, that's going to do it for this trip. We're airing up in the rain. Had a pretty good day. Cruising around on the map. Yep.